to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I am filming outside today, so it's probably gonna sound like I live in a jungle with all the owls and birds that are going on here in the background. So I do apologize in advance. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, lifestyle, you name it, I probably have unboxed it. So today I have one of my favorite clothing subscriptions, and it is, I don't know if you can see it, it is a Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription box. I believe it's $20 a month styling fee. That styling fee gets put towards anything that you purchase in the box. If you've been with Stitch Fix for a while, they've been offering styling passes. I don't know how they choose them, but you pay a one-time $49, which goes towards anything that you purchase, and then you don't have to pay any more styling passes for the year. So that is great. I do have a link below. If you want to try it for the first time, you will not pay a styling fee and you will get $25 in credit. So again, that link is below. So if you want to try it, there you go. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. And if you just subscribed, thank you. Now you probably notice I've got like 50 shades of color going on in my hair. I finally was able to get into the stylist next Tuesday, so hopefully she can do something with this mop. So again, I apologize in advance for the different colors I got going on. So let's get into this box. My stylist has been Kat, and she has been doing a phenomenal job. I am one of those people that are very hard to fit. I'm big on top, smaller in the waist. I have skinny arms and skinny legs, but then I have that stomach that just won't go away. So a lot of shirts and dresses just don't look good with that. So I had asked her, being that I'm in Arizona and we're approaching the 100-degree temperatures, I've been asking her for some tank tops, some shorts, just some real casual outfits. And I think this month she did a great job. I had unboxed it and didn't like the video I did, so I am redoing it again. You will get a, in your box, as most of you probably know, you will get a return envelope. So it's free postage back and forth. And I can't say enough how expensive it is to ship. I've been shipping quite a bit of items, and I don't know how people afford just to pay for the shipping. Then you will get, if I can find it, it's probably buried in the box, you'll get your invoice for how much everything costs, and then you'll get a styling card, so it'll tell you how to style each piece. So, sorry, without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing is a top by Pink Clover, and it's called the Daisy Button Back Detail Knit Top. I wear size large in most of my tops. That's just something that is never gonna change. So this is the front, super cute. Those are the sleeves, but wait till you see the back. The back is super cute. Cannot wait to try that piece on. The next piece also looks like a fun piece, and this is the LUQ Rachel halter top. And I don't know if any of you have the issues that I have with the chest, but the best strapless bra I found, of course now I'm not going to remember the name of it, I think it's the red carpet bra. and I can't remember who it's by, but it'll come to me. So look at how adorable this top is. Now it's gonna drive me crazy, but I could wear that strapless bra 24 hours a day and not even know I'm wearing it. And I know it's called the red carpet. Next top is by Colette. It's a Lecce cross front detailed knit top, and look at this cute, and it's so comfortable feeling. So just as I said, I asked her for these kind of tops and she did a great job. Then I asked for some shorts and I received the Sam short in indigo, and it's by Silver Jeans, and it's the boyfriend short mid-rise, and it has some distressing. You can see that. And these are super cute. Still haven't found my price sheet yet, so. And then they're the STS blue, and they're in a 29, and they're white. But they're kind of short, and you know I'm not a youngin', so we'll have to see how these work. But Kat, I am giving you a 5 for 5 right now because I think this box is great. So the that navy cross front top is $28, and that's probably like the lowest priced top I have seen from Stitch Fix. It would be this one. The STS blue, the white shorts that are in a size 8 are $45. There's not much to those shorts, but again, they're on the cheaper side for Stitch Fix. That halter top, that really pretty off-white halter top, was $38. The pink clover daisy button back, the one with the cute back, is $34. And the distress shorts in indigo were $59. So this was a reasonable box. So the total was $204. And if you buy all 5 and get the discount, it will bring this box to $153. Now granted, they're summer clothing, but still, to get 5 pieces for $153, especially if they fit. So I will be right back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit, and I am wearing the pink clover. No, I'm not. I am wearing the Silver Jeans Sam Distress shorts with the Colette Lecce cross front detail top. The top again was $28 and the shorts were $59. And I'm loving this top. It's very light. I have on just my regular bra with this, and I think I can get away with it. So again, not much to it. It's just a nice summer top, but it is so soft. So let's see if I can put you down and get these shorts. I think the shorts are a perfect length. Again, they've got the distressing. I think they fit good. So let me know what you think of this outfit. Oh, right now, it's looking good. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back with the pink clover shorts, or the pink clover top with the buttons in the back, and the same shorts. So this is the front of the top. Let me see if I can lower you guys. This is the front, and this is the cute back detailing. I'll try to back up so that you can see the great detailing on the back. But so far, I am just loving everything in this box. Okay, I am back with the last outfit, and this is the LUQ Rachel Halter top. And before I forget, it's the Waco red carpet bra that I ordered, and I just love it. And then I am wearing this with the STS blue fray hem denim shorts in white. You gotta let me know. Again, most of you know how old I am, so I just need to know if I can get away with the shorts. I'm loving the top. Again, I don't have the right bra on with it, but I think once I switch out, it will be great. And then the shorts. As I said, there is not much to these shorts. So let me know if you think they're too short for a woman of my age. Of course, the man loved these shorts, but they're not the ones wearing them. So let me know what you think of this. I think this box was a 5 for $5. There is probably no doubt that I'm gonna get everything in this box. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. Totally love the box. I am totally keeping everything. I think I'll get a lot of use out of all those pieces here. So again, my total, and they add tax. Arizona is a state that they add the tax. So it'll be $153 plus the tax. Kat, she did a great job, so kudos to her. And again, if this is something that you'd like to try, I will leave the link below. And I know a lot of you get Stitch Fix, and I got one of those emails where you can purchase, like if you get one top and the top comes in other colors, you can go back and purchase those tops or dresses or whatever in different colors. The only thing I didn't like about it is a lot of times I buy everything in the box, so I get the discount. These items that you can purchase don't include the discount. So that's just something you have to keep in mind. But if you really love an item and you just want it in a different color, go for it. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.